Oh my.
Another one. It's like hidden.
What's up guys, it's Jordan from Awesome Motoring here and I'm back at the garage. Today I just want to get a couple of things done. As you know, we just got the wide-body kit for our Lexus over there. It's sitting on the ground right here. I've had it sitting on the ground. So the front fenders are direct replacements. I'll show you guys right there. So direct replacements, and I wanted to get those on because they're just bolt on. See how they fit. The other ones in the back, they got to be molded to the back of the car. So before I get some experience with that, I'm just gonna get an idea for what's at the front and see how it fits. So let's get that done today. So what's happening right now is I happen to have lost a 10mm. I had everything organized. I don't know what happened since then. So actually, is this it? I think I found it. I don't know why I was near the car, but oh no.
Oh, it's a 10?
It's not a 10. It's a pin. It's held in by it's held in by the weather guard, the rain guard.
Oh.
Alright guys, so what happened is we're trying to get these on here. Lexus decided to put on a coating underneath there. I think it's to stop rust, but it's terrible if you want to ever take off your fender. So we've been trying to get it off for like the past, I don't even know, 30 minutes or so, and it's just, it doesn't want to come off. Alright, so after lots of trying, I think it's ready to come off. Is there another something there?
Oh my.
Another one. It's like hidden.
Is that it?
Yep.
Nice.
Finally.
Oh god. That's much heavier. Alright. This is the passenger side. Get down.
Doors off.
It's
No bolts.
maybe like a exoskeleton.
Yep. You.
Yeah, keep that.
Okay.
Alright. You have the old one there, you have the new one there, so let's just mock it up and see exactly how it fits. So if you look at the actual wide body, it does fit almost perfectly. There are some tabs that we have to screw in inside there. But if you look at this line that goes from, what's my finger, right there, it feeds into the actual line of the car that I don't think I've ever noticed before. So that's pretty cool. Of course, you're gonna have to get new wheels for the car, but other than that, it's pretty good for now. Alright, so we just did a Home Depot run. We got a 1/4 horsepower like fan that's like, I swear that has more horsepower than my actual car. Yeah, so what we're gonna do right now, we take masking tape and we're gonna put on the wide body on there just to see how it'll look. So let's get to it. Alright, and for the first reveal of the wide body, there we go. I'm gonna make it just a little bit darker so you guys can see better. So, have the Thicc, I think V3 rear, along with the Riot V1, and just held it on masking tape for now, but you can see the giant difference in how it looks right there with the wheel and everything. We're not putting a bumper on yet because we still got everything wrapped and painted, but hold on the tape right now, you can really get an idea of the plus 45 on the entire thing. All of this is going to be bondoed, molded, so that it'll look completely flush. But yeah, you can see the body line of the car starts from here, goes all the way back, still on this right here, all the way back there. So it looks really good. See exactly how wide it is right there, along with the back, completely in line. So I'm a big fan of it.